What's going on, guys? I just want to make this really short video to show you guys the comparison between real and fake handcuffs. And let me get them. Sorry guys, I'm back. I just had to go to handcuff keys. So this is the comparison: real versus fake handcuffs. So first up, we're gonna do fake. So fake has, you guys may have seen them all. They have a similar key that looks like this. It has 3 little holes down there. And then it looks like a regular handcuff key, but it's very small. Very flimsy. Their metal of the teeth are really big. They do not, they do not do big hands. They're made for like 8 to 9-year-olds. They have the levers. About that, I'm back. But the fake handcuffs have the little lever so you can open them, which is good for if you lose the handcuff key. If you lose the key, you can just use the full tab. And this fake handcuffs have 3 chains, so they can go a little farther. And then next up, real handcuffs. Real handcuffs, they work exactly similar to them. The real handcuffs work similar. These guys require a key to unlock them. These guys require a key to be able to unlock them. And then these guys, I was gonna get Smith & Wesson lever lock handcuff, but I settled on Vipertech because Vipertech was cheaper. Maybe next time I'll get Smith & Wesson. There we go. These guys have the double lock key. You guys saw that in the gear video yesterday. So then you can't open it. And then to open it, just take the key. To open it. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.